What is up, guys? Jordan from Holiday Lighting and Creations here, and today I will be showing you how to make a pond or lake out of mini lights, and it'll look like this when it's done. Let's get started. The type of lights we'll be using today are these blue commercial grade mini lights, and I'm using the 70 count lights because they're less bulky to work with and it's just easier. And I highly recommend using the commercial grade lights because they're waterproof, and especially since these lights will be laying on the ground. So the first thing we're going to do is make the outline of our pond or lake. And first you're going to plug in your power source, which mine is over there, and then you're just going to start running them along. And once you get the outline done, then we can fill in the whole area with lights. So we're just going to take them and start going along, but you actually might want to take a few strands and ball them up just so it's easier as you go. And you're just going to create your outline kind of like this. And now that we've finished the outline of the pond or lake, we can now start to fill in the rest with the remaining lights we have. After we have outlined our entire pond or lake, we're now going to fill the entire area. But we're not going to use the same method we did when we outlined it because we don't want the racetrack effect, because visitors might see that you just went in a big circle until you got to the middle. So what I like to do is kind of weave in and out and make the lights go different directions so it looks like an ocean or a pond, just so it's different and it doesn't look like just a bunch of lights in a circle. So what we're going to do is start and just lay your lights down, and you can go like this, and then we're going to go back and forth just randomly. And if the lights stick up a little bit, that's okay because it might look like waves or something, but at nighttime you really can't tell. And we're just going to space them a good distance apart because they don't need to be really close, because people are going to be looking off in a distance and you will only be able to tell what it really looks like from up above. But once they're like randomly scattered, you won't be able to notice. So we're just going to weave in and out, and then you just want to change the direction. So I went like this, and now we're going to go the other way and weave in and out. And then if you left a big hole, you can always just throw a big strand over that like that, and just keep going until you're satisfied. And these lights are probably about 5 inches apart from the other lights, so they really don't need to be that close. And you're just going to do this for the entire area until it's full, but make sure you don't overload and put too many lights on a strand. Usually it's about 40 to 45 LED strands connected together, so make sure you have multiple power outlets for your different connections because you don't want to blow a fuse. And now that I've just shown you how to make a pond or lake out of mini lights, it's your turn. And for my scene, I decided to build a lighthouse and include 2 kids fishing on a boat with the girl catching a fish. And the sign in the back that says Make-A-Wish, that represents the charity we collect for at our Christmas display. And the 10 reindeer flying above the lake represent the 10 wishes we were able to grant last year with all the donations from our community. Thanks for tuning in, and I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas.